Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to change profile picture on Google Meet. So let's begin our video. So at first you need to open Google Meet, and then you need to click on the top right corner a simple profile icon. Select it and then select a manage your Google account, and after that what should you do? You just need to select on personal info. There you can see on the right side. Okay, now scroll down and you can see a photo option. There you can see photo. Just need to select on the right side photo icon and then set profile picture, and then you can see option take photo or choose photo. If you have a photo on your phone gallery, then you need to select choose photo, or if you want to take a photo for, you need to select take photo. I just select take photo, then select camera, then like that I select this photo, and now select this. After select this photo perfectly, then select it and then accept it. Okay, after that you can see it's changing the photo. After change the photo, your Google Meet photo already changed. So guys, in this way you can change the Google Meet photo very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.